Konnichiwa minasan, Sujoy desu. Friends, I live in Kansas, USA. Watashi wa Amerika no Kansas shu ni sondeimasu. Just like in Japan, spring has started here too. So let's learn few sentences in Japanese today based on Sakura. This is American cherry blossom. Kore wa Amerika no Sakura desu. These are cherry flowers. Korera wa Sakura no hana desu. These white flowers look very beautiful. Korera no shiroi hana wa totemo utsukushiku miemasu. The whole place looks beautiful these days. Saikin wa basho zentai ga utsukushiku miemasu. I repeat, this is American cherry blossom. Kore wa Amerika no sakura desu. These are cherry flowers. Korera wa sakura no hana desu. These white flowers look very beautiful. Korera no shiroi hana wa totemo utsukushiku miemasu. The whole place looks beautiful these days. Saikin wa basho zentai ga utsukushiku miemasu. Thank you, friends. See you again in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata aimashou.